Welcome to our lesson on using drama in the classroom. Today, we'll explore how role-playing, improvisation, and tableau can enhance learning. As I've already stated, the art form that I chose was drama. I decided to incorporate the art form drama into my English lesson for today. The practical usage that I used was role-playing, improvisation, and tableau. I will now explain role-playing. The students acted out dialogues to explore character traits and different emotions. Students are able to engage physically and emotionally with the content. Students are also able to develop empathy by portraying different characters and perspectives. This helps build communication skills, which help the learners practice effective communication, including verbal and nonverbal ones. Within this aspect, it's important to implement warm-ups to build confidence and creativity. It is important to have students work in small groups to enact dialogues or improvise scenes. After role play comes the facilitation of reflection and discussion for each activity of the reinforcement of learning. I was able to observe students' participation and engagement during the drama activities. I also allowed learners to provide feedback on each other's performances. I also had students reflect on their experiences and learning through drama. Now we move on to improvisational games. With improvisation, this helps students develop quick thinking and creativity. It fosters teamwork and communication, as well as exploring relationships and different power dynamics. It is extremely important to do warm-ups within improvisation. Also, making sure to apply improvisational techniques in scene work. And debriefing after games to discuss the learning that was taught. Tableau. Students are able to create frozen scenes to depict key moments or emotions. Students may use body language and positioning to tell a story. This therefore develops a student's ability to interpret and create visual narratives. It also encourages teamwork and communication. And it allows the learners to express themselves non-verbally. It is important to understand the difference between role-playing and tableau. The values that come with the art form drama. Engagement for one. Drama keeps students engaged and motivated. 2. Creativity. Drama fosters creativity, imagination, as well as self-expression. Lastly, collaboration. Drama promotes teamwork, communication, as well as empathy. I will now discuss my attention grabber. So I decided to choose a game called The Dialogue Detective. I played a YouTube video for the class and I therefore asked questions proceeding after watching the video. This allows me to see how learners can think quickly and answer questions just by watching something. This also allowed me to introduce key concepts and also set an engaging tone. As I come towards the end of my lesson, I was able to do a guided reflection, which was students being able to understand dialogue writing, encourage critical thinking, and identifying areas of improvement. This lesson would work well in a classroom setting because it encourages students and promotes active learning. I think this lesson would work well in a classroom setting because it encourages students to engage in drama activities and promotes active learning. It fosters creativity as well as encouraging learners to think critically and be able to be quick problem solvers. Overall, integrating drama within my English lesson helped me enhance students' engagement, creativity, collaboration, which led to a more effective learning experience. experience for both me and my learners.